Hey all, Kyan here, and today we are taking a look at Android 12 Beta 1. I installed it on my main phone, the Pixel 5, so you don't have to. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so the first changes you'll notice are the lock screen, which hopefully I'm putting a picture of over here somewhere, and then the notification shade, and I should be taking screenshots right now, shouldn't I? Notification shade, those are very different from Android 11, which I could not display because I do not have a device on Android 11. The Pixel 3 I'm recording on, it runs Android 12 Beta 1, and I also installed it on my main phone, so... And my tablet's running Android 10, and it's a Samsung anyway. And it's pretty bad. If I ever do, I'm never going to do a review on my Tab A, because all it will be is, it is bad and leggy. Because that's all it is. Okay, so next thing you might notice, well, besides the notification shade, is the settings. The settings look quite different, and I will do a little screen recording right now. That will show when you click on something, there's a little sparkle. You see that little sparkle there? Yeah, it's interesting. And there's also an animation for when you are scrolling up and down. New animation for that I'll show you when you get to the bottom or top of a page. Let me show you that really quick. So we'll scroll down, and as you can see, it kind of goes up, and when you do it does the same when you scroll down. Nice little animation touch there. And next we will take a look at the widgets. They changed up the widgets. Every single widget now is rounded, and I'll put a random widget on my home screen right now just to show you, because actually no, I'll show you. See, all these, they are rounded, and every other widget will be like that. Everything is very round in this, like when you hold down long press, that's round. When you, what else? Yeah, all these squares are rounded. You already saw that though. And whenever you do something like Twitter or something, like those things that would pop up like right down at the bottom are also round now. Hopefully you've been hearing me okay, because I have my mic set down the whole time. Yeah, so it's all very rounded off. And apparently my Galaxy Watch Active 2 video is doing really well. I just looked at my analytics for no reason, and it's got 48 views. Don't know when that happened, but okay. What else? What else? Something really, really minor I noticed. I don't know if anyone else has talked about this, and I would have never noticed it if either no one told me or if I hadn't put it on my main phone. And I found it because I had it on my main phone. Basically, if you have... I'll be right back. Sorry about that. I had to use the restroom. So, now we're back. I believe we were talking about the minor detail I noticed that I would never notice if I hadn't put it on my main phone, which is here. So basically, if you're watching like a YouTube video or something, and you go into YouTube Music or any other music, and this applies for any media. Basically, if you go into a new media player and play the thing there without pausing your previous thing, the new thing will the new thing will slowly fade in. Well, not slowly, it will fade in while the thing you were just listening to fades out, and then the thing you were listening to pauses, and the new thing you were listening to plays at whatever your current volume level is. It's a really minor detail that I would have never noticed if I hadn't put it on my phone, and I think it's a pretty cool detail. And if you don't like that for some reason, I haven't found a way to turn it off. I haven't looked either, because I like it, but if you don't like it, just pause your previous music and go to the new one, I guess. Is that not that hard? Okay, yeah. So that's something I noticed. But yeah, there's not much else new in the beta 1 of Android 12. None of the cool redesign stuff is here, none of the adaptive background. The widget screen looks a bit different, but that's about it. None of the crazy personalization stuff is here yet. So if you're looking forward to like the personalization stuff and you want to install Android 12 on your phone for that, then I recommend waiting for a bit until either the final release or till we actually get it in the beta, because it's not here yet. Well, that is all the new things I have noticed in Android 12 Beta 1. I'm sure. Oh, I almost forgot something. The volume slider is different too. Just something else I noticed, and it's very round. And the ambient lock screen. If I don't have icon display on, but if I go turn that on real quick. Just turn that on. It's thin, and then when you turn it on, it gets thick. It's a nice touch. I don't ever have that on though, because it drains battery life way too much in my opinion. So yeah, with that, that's all the new things I've noticed. I'm sure there's a few things I missed. I missed a lot. I just realized there's a few things I noticed. Okay, let's start with one-handed mode. So if you swipe down on the home button, like this, it brings it down so you can reach the top better. And then when you're done, you can just swipe up like that. Yeah, you can swipe down to reach it, and then I said swipe down to reach it, and then swipe up here to not reach it. Yeah, that's a cool touch. And something weird, so they're gonna have like a game mode or something eventually when you're in a game. And currently, if you go to your settings, then to sound and vibrations, then down here to D&D, and go to schedules right here, there is a schedule called game mode, and if you click settings for that, you get a sneak peek at what game mode's gonna look like. There's a button you can let you show your FPS, you can turn on Do Not Disturb to not interrupt your game. There's screen recording, screenshot. You can go live on YouTube if you have enough subscribers. You can optimize for games, and I don't know what's going to be here because it's currently empty because this is not a game, but it'll be there. So yeah, that's something cool I guess, sneak peek. Yeah, so basically that's about all I noticed in Android 12 Beta 1. You can go read some articles about like Android Authority and 9to5 Google, and they probably might have some things there that I missed completely, but this is just what I've noticed so far. And with that, thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next Sunday. Bye!